Welcome once again. For consumer price index number, we have learned two methods. The first method, that is called aggregative expenditure method, and the second method, which is also related with the consumer price index number, and the name of that method is called family budget method. In today's video, we will learn how to calculate family budget method. Already we have done a questions related to the family budget method. That questions were related with the aggregative expenditure method, and with the help of the family budget method also we can do the same question is over there. So we have learned, in today's video we will learn how to calculate family budget method. So one example is given. So the food group of given: food, clothing, fuel, electricity, house rent and other. The consumer is use 40 kg food. The rate of that is 128 rupees for 40 kg. Cloth, the unit is per meter. He used the 16 rupees per meter price is over there. Fuel is 40 kg per unit he used, and the price is 30 rupees. Electricity per unit 1.6 rupees per unit. House rent 80 rupees per room, and other is 4 rupees per unit. The weight is given 321,121. So with the help of the base year, that is 221, calculate the family budget index number for the 222 and 2023. It means the price of 2021 is the base year price. With the help of this, we have to calculate the family budget index for the 2022 and 2023. The price increases from 128 to 144, 16 to 40 rupees 50, decrease to 40 rupees 40 paisa, 32 increase 40 rupees, 1.6 rupees to 2 rupees, 80 rupees to 96 rupees, and 4 rupees to 4 rupees 80 paisa. In 2023, in comparison of 2021, 180 to 60, 16 to 17.6, 32 to 44, 1.6 to 2 rupees, 80 to 120 rupees, and 4 rupees to 4 rupees 80 paisa. So the very first, we will calculate R1. So R1 is P1 upon P0 multiplied by 100. So this is P1 price is given. For calculating R1, 144 divided by 128 multiplied by 100, that is 112.5. Next one, 40.4 divided by 16 multiplied by 100, that is 90. Next one, 40 divided by 32 multiplied by 100, that is 125. 2 divided 1.6 multiplied by 100, that is 125. 96 divided by 80 multiplied by 100, that is 120. And 4.8 divided by 4 multiplied by 100, that is also 120. So the very first we have calculated the value of R1. Now R1 multiplication with W. So R1 W. So 112.5 multiplied by 3, that is 337.5. 90 multiplied by 2, that is 180. 125 multiplied by 1, that is 125. 125 multiplied by 1, that is 125. 120 multiplied by 2, that is 240. And 120 multiplied by 1, that is 120. So the addition of this is 1127.5. So for first consumer price index for 2022, that is sigma R1W divided by sigma W. So the value of W is 10, sigma W is 10. So that is 1127.5 divided by 100. So consumer price index number for 2022, that will be 112.75. So the first answer will be 112.75. Now the price of in 2023 the price is given. So firstly we will calculate that. First we have calculated, that is called with the family budget method we have calculated, that is 112.75. Now second, firstly we are to calculate the R2 value. So R2 value is price of 2 but multiply by divided by P0 multiply by 100. So the price of P2 price in 2020 160 divided by 128. 160 divided by 128 multiply by 100. So first is 125. First one is 125 value. What we have to do for getting 160 divided by 128? So 125. Okay. Now 17.6 divided 17.6 divided by 16, that is 1110. Next 44 divided by 32, that is 137.5, and this will be 125. 120 divided by 80, that is 150. 4.8 divided by 4, that is 120. So we have calculated 120 divided by 80, 150. Okay. 2.120. Okay. So what we have done, we have calculated the value of R2. 160 divided 128 multiplied by 100. 17.6 divided by 16 multiplied by 100. 14 divided by 32 multiplied by 100. 2 divided 1/6 multiplied by 100. 120 divided by 80 multiplied by 100. 1.8 divided by 4 multiplied by 100. Now RW 3 multiply 125. So first one is 375. Second one 1110 multiply 2, that is 220. Third one 137.5 137.5. Fourth one 125 as it is. Fifth one 150 multiply by 2, 300. 120 multiply by 1, 120. So addition of this is 12775, 127.5. Some difference is over there. So first check this. First one 160 divided by 128, 125. Then 17.6 multiply by 6 divided by 16, 1110. Okay. Then 44 divided by 32, 137.5. 2 divided 1.6, 125. 120 divided by 80, 1.5. 4.8 divided by 4, 1.20. Okay. But some difference may be over there. 1307 is over there. So again we are having one multiplication. 125 multiplied by 3, that is 375. 1110 multiplied by 2, that is 220. 137.5 as it is, because multiply by 1. 125 as it is, multiply by 1. 150 multiplied by 2, that is 300, and 120 this. So 1277.5, 1277.5. But in book some differences over there. 375, 220, 137.5, 125, 300. Last one is 150. So some difference is over there. Okay. The difference is here, the price is 6 rupees. Wrongly we have written wrong. Okay, no problem at all. We will calculate this. 6 divided 4, that is 150. So adding this 38, so 1277.5 plus 30, that is 1307.5. The answer in book is over there, 1307. Now for family budget method, consumer price index, that is sigma R2W divided by sigma W. So 1307.5 divided by 10, 130.75. So with the help of this, with the help of the family budget method, easily you can calculate the consumer price index number. So I think with the help of this video, you may be able to learn how to calculate consumer price index number. So if in examination you are seeing any question related to the consumer price index number, with the help of this video, you may be able to do any kind of the question related to this. So I think this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.